koutou, ko Kate to Kuingoa. My name is Kate.
And Rahina Winton School for Jamie. I'm Jamie.
Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 9th of September. Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te wiki.
This week's phrase is Tohatoha.
Tohatoha means sharing, to share.
Right on to health and safety news.
If the signs are out, make sure you look about. The grass is muddy, we don't want you grubby.
On to today's notices.
There's gymnastics on in the hall at morning tea. If you're in the treasure tricks and the JCLS twisters, it's your turn to practice. You are doing your dances this week, so you all need to be there.
There is no band tomorrow at lunchtime because of WGT.
All today's Year 5 and 6 Winton's Got Talent performers to be in the hall ready with their lunch at 12:30. WGT video entries need to be handed into the office by this Wednesday.
There are no PALs this week due to NZ Clean-Out Week in Herald.
This week is Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori Language Week. This week, if a duty teacher hears you using Te Reo in the playground, they will give you a green card. Write your name and room number on your card and put it in the box in the library to go in the draw to win a prize at the end of the week.
On to birthday news.
Happy birthday to Ashton in room 3. Don't forget to swing by the office and collect your birthday card from there.
If you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team.
See you tomorrow, Winton School.